Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to share with you a really quick Dollar Tree haul. I have not been shopping at the Dollar Tree specifically because I didn't have money set aside for a miscellaneous category in my budget, and I think I need to do that for next month. But a lot of these items that I was able to pick up today are food items, so I technically could count them in my grocery budget, which it would be totally fine with the exception of the flowers. But there were a few things that I really needed to get, and when I walked in and I saw them, I was like, okay, let me grab these. So we're having shrimp po' boys for dinner, but we realized that we did not have buns because we're shopping for my pantry this week, and I did not go to the grocery store today. Today is my normal grocery store day, and I normally would have picked up the buns, but we did not get groceries this week. We're trying to eat out of our pantry. So at the Dollar Tree, we found these Wonder hot dog buns. There are 12 of these. They're the split tops. They were marked 2 for $5. So I'm not real sure why they were marked 2 for $5, but we only paid $1. And so I was checking the dates of these just to make sure they were good. And the date on this is April the 9th. So we're going to have these for tonight and probably for tomorrow's lunch. We may have sausages for lunch. I can't remember what's on the menu, but we'll use them or we'll throw them in the freezer. So we got those for $1. I do like these Reynolds wrappers. Sometimes I like to heat things up really quickly in the oven, and I don't want to use a pan or waste a pan, or I want to use a pan but I don't want to have to wash the pan afterwards. So I'll get some of these Reynolds wrappers, and there's 25 sheets, and they're a name brand, and I use these quite often. They were $1. So I just saw the Fit and Fabulous Mama she did the WW Pound Dropper cheesecake, and in her recipe, and I'm sure it's probably in the other and I just missed it when I made it, she used lemon juice and lemon extract, and those aren't things I keep on hand. But I did see them at the Dollar Tree and picked those up. And I also picked up some almond extract because I saw somebody use, maybe Amanda Seipert used that in a recipe. And I thought I would pick that up just in case. I could not find the pink Himalayan sea salt, so I did pick up a thing of kosher salt. And the next thing I saw, which was amazing to me, and I ran right over when I saw them, were these seasonings. So I got minced garlic and pepper, minced onion, garlic and pepper, steakhouse and Memphis style barbecue rubs. They had crushed red pepper. They had a couple more. They had garlic salt. They had a couple more, but they were only $1. And this here is from Aldi. This is the stone meal, and I paid 99 cents for this. But this is 3.12 ounce, and this is 9.5 ounce for $1 at Dollar Tree, and this is 99 cents at Aldi. So for 3 times as much, I felt like this is absolutely the better deal. So I was pleased to get them for the price. The next thing I found were these Camilla pizza crusts, and they're really small. They're really tiny, just for like a personal pan pizza, and the kids can use those to make them pizzas if they want. Tomorrow's the last official day of spring break, and maybe I'll change up the menu plan for that. The only other thing that I did pick up were these flowers, and that's because they were yellow, and I wanted to add a pop of yellow in my living room and just kind of throughout the house, because I think that says spring. So I picked up about 5 bunches of the yellow flowers that we're going to disperse around the house. So anyway, I paid $18.76 for everything you see here, including the tax. Oh, I got the kids some candy, but they ate it already. So anyway, that's our quick Dollar Tree haul. We hope that you enjoyed this. If you see anything that you like, or some great products at your Dollar Tree, leave us a comment. We'd be happy to chat about it. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and until next time we shop at Dollar Tree, bye now.